How to embroider almost perfect amigurumi eyes using a template. To cut out the eye template, place a round object of the required size on the piece of felt, then cut around the dotted line. Choose eye placement. Sew a guide around the felt eye. Pin the felt in place and make stitches close around the edge using black thread and a needle. Using embroidery thread, make stitches outside of the guide and close to the edge to hide it inside the stitching. Do not pull the stitches too tight, as this will misshape the eye. If you make your stitches too tight, pull it out with your needle to loosen. Check if the shape is correct. If you have any gaps between your horizontal lines, or you're unhappy with your shape, make vertical stitches over the previous horizontal stitches. Keep an eye out for a tutorial using a different template.